Alright, before we start our journey, let me explain how I've structured this course so you get the most out of it. In the next section, we're going to look at objects in JavaScript. Now, chances are you're familiar with some of the concepts that I'm going to explain, but please be patient, make sure to watch every lecture because we're going to get really deep to make sure you have an in-depth understanding of objects, because objects are the foundation of object-oriented programming. Over the next two sections, we'll look at prototypes and prototypical inheritance. These are some of the complex parts of JavaScript that a lot of developers find confusing. So over these two sections, I'm going to make it super simple for you. Next, we will look at classes in ES6, which stands for ECMAScript 6. Now, if you don't know what is ECMAScript, ECMAScript is a specification developed by ECMA, which is an organization that defines standards for technologies. So ECMA as an organization has developed ECMAScript, which is a specification. Now, JavaScript is a programming language that conforms to the ECMAScript specification. Now, starting from year 2015, ECMA started to enhance JavaScript. So the specification that came out in year 2015 is referred to as ECMAScript 2015 or ECMAScript version 6. Now, in this specification, we have some new features in JavaScript. One of them is classes. But classes that we have in JavaScript are not like classes we have in languages like C# or Java, because JavaScript is a dynamically typed language. So classes are essentially syntactic sugar over prototypes and prototypical inheritance. So that's why we have two sections on these topics in the course. Once you master these, then we'll look at ES6 classes in section 5. And finally, we will finish this course by looking at modules. So this is the outline. Now, I want to clarify something here. In this course, unlike my other courses, we're not going to build a real application. Because building a real application requires me to talk about various topics, such as building the user interface or the client app, then building APIs, working with a database, deployment, and so on. All these are distraction from the core of this course, that is object-oriented programming. So I wanted to create a short and sweet course for you to teach you object-oriented programming in JavaScript. That's why we're not going to build a real application, but to help you master the concepts that you're going to learn, in each section, I have designed 1 or 2 exercises. So make sure to spend some time doing these exercises, and you can also see my solution. With all that, let's get started.